Most 50-plus foot catamarans give you a cockpit and a view. The 60 Sunreef Power gives you roughly 2,700 square feet of living space, an aft garage, and a design the yard has kept refining since 2012. Sunreef Yachts builds this catamaran by hand in Gdansk, Poland, in composite construction throughout, with naval architecture and design kept in-house. This hull entered production in 2012 and remains one of Sunreef's bestsellers, now updated under the Sunreef Next Design Evolution. Classic diesel power runs twin engines from 300 to 850 horsepower each, up to 1,700 horsepower combined. Fuel capacity spans 1,585 to 2,641 gallons, depending on configuration. Full performance data is available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 60 feet overall on a beam of 35 feet 1 inch, built to Category A open water standards. Living space runs roughly 2,700 square feet, spread across a full beam aft cockpit and a semi-open saloon. An electric eco version is also available, built around Sunreef's proprietary solar skin technology, version 3.0, paired with next-generation batteries for fumeless, silent cruising. Aft, a hydraulic platform drops for tender storage, water toys, or lounging at the waterline, backed by a dedicated aft garage. This is the Sunreef Next update applied to the yard's longest-running power catamaran. Inside, the saloon opens fully to the aft cockpit, lit from above by a full-length skylight and wrapped in panoramic glazing that keeps the interior bright at anchor or underway. Sunreef builds every layout to order. Bottom line, this is a proven decade-plus platform now carrying Sunreef's newest design language, and it counts a two-time Formula One world champion among its owners. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.